Hi, I'm President Paula Pando, inviting you to ride along with Reynolds, a regular update on where the college is heading, who's joining us for the journey, and why it matters for our students and community. It's hard to believe it's already March. Time flies when you're having fun. We are still buzzing with excitement from our recent experience at Achieving the Dream's annual gathering, Dream 2024. Achieving the Dream celebrated its 20th year as the nation's premier education reform network, and it was incredible to see thousands of educators from all over the country come together. Educators who choose transformation over tradition, curiosity over inaction, and innovation over the status quo. Our team from Reynolds was right in the thick of it all, presenting 3 impactful sessions. We showcased our bold student success work, highlighted the college's robust data capabilities and their crucial role in planning, and contributed to a panel discussion on the emerging use of artificial intelligence in both the workplace and classroom. It was an invigorating experience that reminded us of the importance of pushing boundaries and embracing change. But we cannot discuss DREAM without shining a spotlight on one of our remarkable students, Tamir Bry. Each year, through a highly competitive and rigorous process, Achieving the Dream selects 8 community college students for an extraordinary opportunity. These individuals, known as Dream Scholars, embark on an immersive journey at Dream, where they learn alongside community college leaders throughout the conference, amplifying their voices and experiences. Tamir was among the chosen few. She captured hearts and minds when she shared her story of resilience, perseverance, and triumph, and moved the audience of thousands to their feet with tears and cheers. Tamir reminds us all of the profound impact education can have on transforming lives. Speaking of boundless possibilities, we recently hosted over 60 high school counselors, administrators, and college advisors at our downtown campus to showcase our state-of-the-art learning environments and discussed high-demand careers of tomorrow. The excitement in the air was contagious as they witnessed firsthand the amazing opportunities available to students right here in their backyard. We value our K12 partners, and it is always a joy to host them. Indeed, nothing so close to home can take you so far. Finally, don't forget to save the date for our upcoming spring open house on April 17th at 5:30 at our Parham Road campus. Whether you're a high school junior considering your next steps, an adult looking to switch careers, or someone eager to advance professionally with top-notch credentials, this event is a must-attend. Thank you for riding along with us on this journey. Your support and dedication make all the difference. See you next month.